In this video, we are going to learn how to design a single set sofa. We'll take a rectangle command, going to fillet and defining a fillet value of 0.5 and defining a rectangle of 10 tab 12. I'll make one more rectangle, REC enter. This is 2.5 and that is 12. I'll move this, M enter, moving to exactly middle. And we can mirror this from the middle point to the next side. I'll make one more rectangle. So I'll just take from here to here, that gap I'll keep it 2.5 and I'll arrange it to mid of that line. So now we'll measure the distance DIST from this point to this point. It's 14.5 and from this point to this point 15. I'll take REC enter. We'll make rectangle 15 tab 14.5 enter. We'll select this and moving this to that midpoint of the fillet. Now we'll just move it into isometric view. So here we'll take Extrude Command, EXT enter. We'll select the rectangle and defining the height 4 enter. Now we'll specify the sides enter and making this to be 3 height, and this back side we'll select it and defining it 7 height. And now I need to make that the center part, EXT enter. The seat part we'll select it, this rectangle, and enter. We're defining 1.5. Now I need to add fillets on all the parts one by one. So here we'll isolate the components. We'll select the component and we'll make it isolate. We'll take the option fillet edge option. Now I'll take here chain option, so I can select all the chain, enter, enter, and we'll end the isolation. Now I'll select these two components and making it isolate. Again we'll take fillet edge command. Now we'll take chain option. We'll select this part chain and this part chain, enter, enter. Again we'll go for this part and take chain option, and same way upper side, enter, enter, and end the isolation. Now we'll select the seat. We'll select this and making it isolate, fillet edge, and taking the radius value to be 0.5. Going to chain option, enter, enter, and end the isolation. Now let's move to that part. Select this and making it isolate, fillet edge, radius I'll keep 0.5 and taking chain option, enter, enter. Now we'll just make it end isolation. So all part I made it fillet. Let's convert this into conceptual view. Now we want to apply material part. For that we'll go to visualize tab. We'll go to material browser. From this browser we'll just take what material we want to assign. We'll go to home tab, go to Autodesk library, and we'll taking fabrics. So here we have so many fabrics. So assigning this seat to blue, okay, or we can right click and assign. This portion let me take light brown, and this portion let's specify in yellow, off-white. Now once we assign the material, we'll close the browser. We'll go to material textures and we'll make material textures on. So we can see it is showing the colors. Now let's design a surface. So here I'll go to bottom view and we'll make one planar surface. We'll go to the option planar surface. We'll just define first corner and second corner, and now we'll adjust it. We'll take move command, enter. I'll taking a side view, so we'll move it by idea. And now let's get back to isometric view. I'll rotate it. We have to arrange in other side. We'll take right plane and we'll just take a move command and we'll adjust it, making ortho on, so it will be moved perfectly. Now again we'll just rotate. Now this surface, let's assign some material. We'll take material browser and taking red velvet, assign to that and close it. So select it and then assign it, and now we'll close this. So here we can control some environment part. We'll click on render and we have render environment exposure. So let's move it to side and we can control the exposure, or white. We can control how much whiteness you want to show. Environment you can control from here if you want. So like this way we added light exposure effect, and we'll close it. So this is how we have designed a single set so far. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.